How to fix Telegram problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do guys to fix any problem you have on your Telegram is actually so easy. Just go into these settings, and when you go to the settings now go to the apps, go open the apps, and now here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Telegram and click on it, and after that all what you want to do is just force stop the app, and that's it. Now go back to the settings, go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 1 minute, and after that disable it. And last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Telegram and update. Don't forget to like and subscribe.